Long-term memory can be hugely and very well preserved and intact, and oftentimes it's just the road into that memory that people can experience difficulty with. But if you can show somebody a photograph or an old movie clip or play a tune from the past, it can unlock a wealth of memories and really loosen the tongue for that older person and get them talking about the past and reliving that experience. So RemPad is currently in trial in a network of Irish care homes at the moment, and it's received overwhelmingly positive success and feedback from people who have found that it's a very powerful tool for connecting older people and their carers with their memories from the past, such as JFK's first visit to Ireland, or moments and video clips are what we're using, and these video clips have rich multisensory properties attached to them that are really providing a route back into memories from times gone by, and they're enabling older people living in care homes in Ireland and their care workers to share and recollect and reminisce on these moments. So RemPad is a reminiscence activity tool that promotes well-being and quality of life in care homes.
And